Hey everybody, I want to show you a really cool trick how you can clean up your transitions. Really simple. So listen to this transition. It's not too bad, but it's a little bit messy at the end, and I'll show you how to fix it. Now usually you would have some kind of fill there, and let's say we had a fill there and all the bleeds and of the pads and the leads and the acids would all be getting in the way. So a simple fix is just to do this. So I'm going to go to my counter section. You can use a mute tool, but I find that using a gain tool is better because you achieve the same results. But if you use the mute tool, if you mute the track after this section, it will automatically unmute. It's a right pain in the backside. I'll tell you what, I'll actually show you that. So this will basically kill the plucks, the counters. And that's great, okay? So it's completely silenced, that section. But watch what happens now when I come to mute it. So I want to mute it. Doesn't work. So what we do instead, we just use a gain tool. Does exactly the same trick. By the way, if you were a Logic user, Marquee Tools is incredible for this. I think you can even save time. Let's go to the gain. So I've just copied and pasted it onto the pads. You look at that, copied and pasted it. Go to the mids. Make sure there's a gain tool on there. Fantastic. Oops. Copy and paste it. Do the same with the acids. Well, we'll list how that sounds. You'll now see if you had a transition effect. I've not done the detailing in this track yet, so when we get to that section I'll probably put a nice acid or something, but it would be so hard to get it to cut through because of all the other stuff that's going on. There you go. So by using a very simple technique, it's a great way to clean up your transitions. Now all the fills that you use, like your or your acids or your separate counters or whatnot, they're going to work really well. Now let's say you want to add a counter. Well, you couldn't really add it to the counter bus, right? Because it's muted. So what I would do is I would just duplicate the bus and call it counter 2. And then I would add the new counter to that. And that way that counter would not get muted. So there are workarounds. But yeah. Good little lesson. If you'd like to know more about my one-to-one lessons, drop me a line to tutorials@ellisdj.com. We've had some amazing success lately. Clients have signed to every major label in the trance scene. last year we had 2 clients gain Beatport #1 records with Armada and with Pure Trance. So the course really works. We're looking for people that are dedicated, happy to put in the work, and who can take constructive feedback and criticism. If that sounds like you, then give me a shout, and it'd be good to sign you up. Alternatively, I'd like to make you aware you don't need lessons. Please don't feel like you need lessons to improve. I never had lessons, and I'm a big advocate of stating that lessons are great, but you do not need them. If you're in a financial position where you can afford them, and they're going to get you from A to B faster. But yeah, it's important not to sell this idea that you must have lessons to become a great producer. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much.